Princess Alina was a young woman of exceptional beauty and royal elegance. Her sparkling blue eyes, long golden hair, and flowing silken royal garments made her look like a celestial fairy. Born in a palace, Alina was raised in luxury and grandeur, which eventually filled her with pride. She believed that no man in the world was worthy of her, except for a mighty king or a fearless warrior. But in the glow of her beauty and the pride of her riches, Alina failed to realize that true love is not measured by wealth, status, or power, but by the simplicity and honesty of the heart. On the other hand, Kai was a simple, yet honest and hard-working fisherman. His deep brown eyes reflected the vastness of the sea, and his thick black hair carried the breeze of the ocean. With his small boat and fishing net, he lived a modest life alongside his mother, catching fish to make ends meet. Kai's world was far from grand palaces, centered instead around waves of the sea and meals earned through labor. Yet within him shone a light of dreams, a yearning for true love and self-respect. He knew that real worth is not measured by wealth or royal robes, but by the truth of the heart and the purity of one's actions. In the royal palace garden, Princess Alina sat gracefully on her golden throne, surrounded by her loyal courtiers. Unmatched in beauty, Alina took great pride in her appearance and carried herself with an air of superiority. No man in this world is worthy of me. Only the most powerful and wealthy prince deserves to marry me, she would often declare with confidence and pride. The king, a wise and thoughtful ruler, grew increasingly concerned about his daughter's arrogance. He tried many times to explain the value of humility and true character, but Alina refused to listen to anyone. A grand announcement echoed throughout the kingdom. A royal ball was to be held in honor of Princess Alina, where all eligible princes would be invited to attend. The palace was being decorated with glimmering lights and luxurious silk drapes. Musicians were tuning their instruments, and royal chefs were preparing mouth-watering delicacies. Excitement spread across the land. Who would win the princess's heart and become her life partner? Far away, by the shoreline, the humble fisherman Kai heard the news. His eyes sparkled with dreams, yet his heart was filled with doubt. Could a simple fisherman ever step foot into such a royal ball? On the night of the royal ball, Kai sat sadly by the seashore, his heart heavy with disappointment. He knew that his humble identity would never grant him entry into the grand palace. Just then, a mysterious old woman appeared beside him, her wrinkled eyes gleaming with a strange light. "Son, why are you so sad?" the old woman asked gently. Kai shared his heartfelt wish with her. The woman smiled and waved her wooden staff. In an instant, Kai's tattered clothes transformed into royal attire, and sparkling shoes appeared on his feet. "Now go, my child. But remember, this magic will only last until midnight." The royal palace shimmered with lights. All around, there was music, dancing, and laughter filling the air. Princess Alina met many princes that evening, but none of them were able to impress her. Just then, a mysterious young man entered through the grand doors, Kai, dressed in magnificent royal attire. His simplicity and quiet confidence instantly captivated Alina. "Who are you?" Alina asked curiously. "No one special," Kai replied with a smile. "Just someone who wants to know you with all his heart." They danced together, and for the very first time, Alina felt a glimpse of true love. But as soon as the clock struck midnight, the magic broke. Kai's royal attire vanished, and he returned to his true form, a humble fisherman once again. Princess Alina was shocked by what she saw. You're a fisherman?" I thought you were a prince, she exclaimed. Yes, I am a fisherman, Kai said with emotion in his voice, but does my truth make my love any less real? But Alina's pride still stood firm. I could never marry a common fisherman, she said with disdain, and turned away, walking back into the palace. Time passed, but Alina could never forget that night. She slowly began to realize that she had rejected someone who was truly honest and sincere. One day, as she stood on the balcony of the palace, gazing toward the river, she saw Kai sitting in his boat, still fishing, just as he always had. At that moment, she understood that true love doesn't lie in the glitter and glamour of princes, but is hidden in simplicity and honesty. What have I done? I rejected true love. I must find Kai and make things right. King said, if you've realized your mistake, then don't delay, my daughter. Go and find him. Kai, please forgive me. I rejected you because of my pride, but now, I finally understand the meaning of true love. The fact that you've understood, that's the greatest joy for me. I've always been waiting for you, Alina. When the king heard this, he was filled with joy. From this day forward, I declare that true love is greater than status. Kai and Alina shall be married. And so, Princess Alina and the fisherman Kai were wedded. Alina let go of her pride and finally understood the true meaning of love. They lived a happy life, with no palace, no pride, only love, simplicity, and honesty. Pride can never stand in the way of true love.